4 weeks of adventure, and it all began with the thrill of Teewah Beach, where the sand stretched out endlessly beneath the wheels of our cars. With the roar of the ocean to our right and the wild, untouched coast ahead, we pushed forward, chasing that sense of freedom only the wilderness can give. Crossing by ferry, we ventured deep into Australia's largest sand island, Fraser Island, facing tracks that tested both man and machine as we made our way along crystal-clear creeks and stunning coastal rock formations that jutted out along the shoreline, standing tall against the endless ocean, all the way up to the northern tip. After the island, we weren't done yet, not by a long shot. A bush doof awaited us, hidden deep in the forest, where music and laughter echoed through the night. Our adventure led us through the Kenilworth 4x4 tracks, rough, rugged, and unforgiving. Each climb and descent was a new challenge, but with grit and commitment, we powered through. Amid the rugged terrain, Kenilworth offered more than just challenging 4x4 tracks. Hidden among the hills were stunning hiking trails, weaving through lush rainforests and leading us to breathtaking lookouts. Each step took us deeper into nature's embrace, with towering trees above and crystal-clear creeks below. Finally, we arrived at Bribie Island, our last stop before my brother would head home. One final beach day to soak it all in, the sun, the surf, and the sand. This journey has been more than just an off-road adventure. It's been a testament to brotherhood, exploration, and the spirit of adventure. A perfect way to close out an unforgettable chapter in Australia.
Komm, wink nochmal in die Kamera, oder?